Want to become a master of card magic? Then you need to study the master himself, Johann Nepomuk, Hofzinser. His book, Hofzinsers Card Conjuring, is a treasure trove of some of the most brilliant card effects ever created. We're talking about legendary routines that have inspired magicians for over a century. You'll learn classics like the sympathetic numbers, everywhere and nowhere, and the mind-bending domination of thought. Dive into his incredible work with unprepared cards, duplicate cards, and even pre-arranged packs. Discover the secrets behind the 4 aces, remember and forget, and the omnipotence of the ladies. This isn't just a book of tricks. It tests a deep dive into the psychology and artistry of card magic from one of history's greatest innovators. If you're serious about taking your card skills to the next level, this book is an absolute must-have. Check the link in the description to get your copy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more magic history. Awarded to perform card magic that feels truly impossible, like real mind reading. Then you need to dive into the world of Johann Nepomuk, Hofzinser, the father of modern card magic. His book, Hofzinsers Card Conjuring, is a treasure trove of legendary effects that have baffled audiences for over a century. Imagine being able to perform classics like the sympathetic numbers, where cards magically match, or everywhere and nowhere, where a chosen card appears in impossible locations. He'll learn the secrets to his famous 4 ace routines, the mind-bending domination of thought, and the unforgettable remember and forget. This isn't just about tricks. It's about learning the psychology and masterful construction that made Hofzinser a legend. From unprepared cards to ingenious gaffes, this book covers it all. If you're serious about taking your card magic to the next level, this is essential reading. Grab your copy and start learning from the master himself.